I'm here, I'm at the highway, and I'm really very excited to share something to you guys. So, ano nga ba excited na news ko sa inyo? Okay, so, I always go home to my hometown, no? Syempre, di ko sasabihin where, no? But, I always notice something, lalong-lalo na when I drive, no? Well, let's put it this way. Let me just have a very good comment, no? I am not against progress, no? Kaya lang, isn't it that I'm upholding sustainability? So, it is to my understanding that if we're going to always put a lot of highways, and it will encourage, of course, a lot of vehicles to be driven. So, hindi siya sustainable, diba? So, what if ang point of encouragement ko to whoever, agency of the government, alam naman natin kung sino yon, siguro mas maganda we encourage yung mass transportation. Like right now, I'm the only one driving. I'm alone here. So what if I just, hop in a very efficiently managed railroad track, or a train station, di sarap, diba? Di pa ako magmaneho, di pa ako magdadrive. So, chill lang, diba? I mean, come to think of it, guys, para tayong 50 years delayed. No, yung progress natin. Kasi laging iniisip kung saan tayo magkakaroon ng, road widening. Hindi po ba natin alam, when we do a lot of road widening, we are basically destroying the topography of our country. O ano yung topography? Yung itsura ng mga landmass natin. Tapos, di lang yun, di lang topography. Di syempre, pag nagkaroon tayo ng mga cutting of trees, kasama na yun. So, we are basically violating SDG 15. And what is SDG 15? We need to protect life on land. So, hindi lang quality ng soil. Yung mismong soil, dinidestroy natin. Dito nga, pagdaan ko, grabe, oh. They destroyed a mountain. Grabe. Kailan pa tayo magpo-progreso, diba? Yun lang iniintay ko. Kasi we're always, thinking of building roads. Hindi na nga maka-afford ang tao ng gasolina. Laki-laki ng gas ngayon, no? Hello. Ako nga dati full tank kayo, magkano lang 500 na lang. Diba? Parang let's serve naman our countrymen better and better. Kasi kung hindi natin i-align lagi sa sustainability yung actions natin, yung decisions natin, then how do you think we are going to progress? Diba? We just destroyed one part there, oh. Nakita ko may extension going to Manila daw. Kung ba naman yun, ginawang diba, railroad tracks. Yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-share sa'yo. Kasi, I'm happy hindi ko masyadong nakita yung mga pagputol ng puno, no? Kaya lang, I will really react if I've seen again a lot of trees being cut, diba? Parang wala nang kaawa-awa ang, diba, sa mundo. Grabe, no? I always make this comment, nasa na yung puso, diba? Where's the heart? Diba? If you don't have the heart to, to really think about how we are going to protect the planet, ewan ko na. Tayo naman, user lang tayo ng sasakyan, di ba? We're using vehicles. Pero, once we use the vehicles, like right now, I'm recording this, I had to put my AC on. Pero kanina, when I went to my hometown, my AC was off. Alam natin yan, in putting off the AC, we are basically helping what? Di ba? Lesser consumption of CFC, HCFC and HFC, di ba? Hydrofluorocarbon, hydrochlorofluorocarbon, at chlorofluorocarbon. Ano yan? Mga super agents yan ng ozone destruction, di ba? So, ayaw natin yun. When do we learn? Di ba? When do we implement? Like, for example, alam nyo, kung halimbawa, ako yung nasa land transportation office, I would definitely make it more, magkaroon ako ng policy that it's not, we're going to use like the AC at certain time only of the day, or drive vehicles on certain time of the day. Ginagawa na yon. Kaya lang makulit ang tao di ba? Tao nga parang hindi na natin iniisip yung how to sustain the planet. If we're only thinking of what we are going to be inconvenienced about, I don't think we're going to last, diba? For the last, 9 years and na ngayon? October? Oh my God! 9 years, 2 months and October 3? And may 31 ba October? Oo. Diba? Konting love naman sa planet. Grabe. So, yun lang po ang message ko. It's going to be a little short ngayon kasi I'm driving at a high speed, I'll just focus on driving. But my message to everyone is this, let's do our part. Like for example, ako, I really just needed to come home today to my other home, in my hometown. But I really hope in the next, in the future, very near future, magkaroon tayo ng effective train station or train system, One of the best train systems I've ever ridden is in Japan, Grabe, very accurate ang time, Yan. Of course, in the US, I've ridden, in Germany, in France, very accurate. But the scene, pag tiningnan nyo, my goodness, their train system and their train tracks have been existing for decades. Tayo, the other day, we passed by kami nila Mang Boy, nagda-drive kami nila Dexter Lamang Boy. My goodness, Jesus H. Christ, yung train tracks natin, wow, ganda ng train, super, ang ganda, it's new, but it's so slow. Diba? Yung ganon, yung when do we think in reality, when do we think about the welfare of the country? So, sana tayo mismo sa atin manggaling. Diba? Sa atin manggaling. Kasi I'm very particular on that. Yung servant leadership, yan yung kaya hindi ako pumipili pa ngayon ng iboboto for, diba? At least may bago tayong Miss Universe, kadugtong to, may bago tayong Miss Universe, so congratulations to Miss Cebu City. But yung for presidential election, wala pa everybody's funny, diba? Yun, so let's keep in touch, guys, okay? And definitely, one of the things that I'm going to be very, very thankful about is from the last time, sabi ko, over 840 na yung subscribers namin. Ngayon, over 850. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the subscribers. And definitely, I'm very thankful for the over 71,000 views na kami. So, thank you. I really, really appreciate it, So, that's my message for this afternoon, guys. I'm going back to Manila. I was able to relax a bit, but I miss my parents. Of course, I visited them in their grave. So, I just hope, let's focus on yung servant leadership, okay? So, that's the reason why the title of my vlog is, Highway, Trees at Iba Pa, because marami akong gustong message na ibigay, but I need this to really be appreciated by people, So, I'll be here until here because na ako. Magto-toll gate na, okay? So, I'll see you guys. Thank you so much, okay? And be safe. Thank you for all our subscribers and definitely our viewers. Rumble Street. Okay. Sige. So, I'll be here in my ETC pass, okay? ETC lane, okay? And use my ETC pass. I'll see you guys. Bye! See you, greenies. I love you. Bye-bye.